Hi everyone, we're going to find the derivative of y with respect to x by implicit differentiation, and this one is really not too bad. We take the derivative of sine first, which is cosine of x, and then for this one I have two separate functions, so I'm going to use the product rule and write down the first function, x, and then I'm going to take the derivative of the second function. Well, the derivative of 1 is just 0, so I don't have to, that's going to be 0 plus the derivative of tan of y. The derivative of tan of y is secant squared of y. Then you have to take the derivative of that, which is y prime. And then we have to do for the product rule, we're going to write down the second function, which is 1 plus tan of y. And then we're going to have a derivative of x, which is just 1. So I'm going to go ahead and move this guy over to the left here. So I have cosine of x minus 1 minus tan of y. I'm distributing. And then I have x times secant squared of y times the derivative of y. I'm going to go ahead and divide both sides by this, so I get y prime equals cosine of x, and I'm going to go ahead and put the tan y next, minus 1. I just rewrote him over x secant squared of y. And that's your final answer. Now the next one is this one, and this one's not so bad either. So the derivative of cotan of y is negative cosecant squared of y. Then you have to take the derivative of y, so there's a derivative of y. And then take the derivative of x, and that's going to be 1 minus the derivative of y, just the derivative of y. Now I'm going to go ahead and move this one over to the right side, so we have y prime plus, minus cosecant squared of y times y prime, alright, equals 1. And now, what did I put squared? So now I'm going to factor out the y prime. If you factor out the y prime, you get y prime equal times 1 minus cosecant squared of y equals 1. So this is going to be, let's see, it's going to end up being y prime equals 1 over 1 minus cosecant squared of y. And from your trig identities, you should know that negative tan squared equals 1. Well, let's just do it this way. This right here equals 1 over negative cotan squared of y, which equals negative tan squared of y, because of my reciprocal identities. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.